All right, let's get started by looking at our Windows 10 About page and then dive into the display settings just to confirm that we have the correct resolution. I'm currently on a fresh install of Windows 10. Before we go any further, I want to look at our display settings to make sure that my monitor is set up correctly with the correct resolution. So anywhere on the desktop, right-click, then choose from Display Settings from the pop-up menu. Once there, we just want to confirm that our scaling is set to 100% and that you have the expected displayed resolution. In this case, this is the resolution for a 4K monitor. Go ahead and close out of that. Next, let's look at our About page. Go to the search field on the taskbar and simply search for About. It should be among the first results, so click on that. And this should bring up our Systems About page. Now, what's important about this is to make sure that we're running the right platform or system type. In this case, it's a 64-bit operating system on a 64-based processor. These two really should be in agreement, or it'll be 32 and 32, but sometimes you might see 64 and 32. In that case, you would be running a 32-bit operating system on a 64-bit processor, but that's much more uncommon these days. This is important because we want to make sure we choose the correct software for our operating system. After that, what also might be pertinent is the addition of Windows, in my case, Windows 10 Pro. Although for the software we'll be installing today, that really won't matter that much. The other thing is version. In this case, it's 20H2. Now, you might be tempted to wonder, hey, isn't 10 the version of Windows? And these days, it really isn't. Windows 10 has been Windows 10 for many years now. So really, it's more like a brand. And then the version is actually this number here, or this signifier, which means that this is the second half update from 2020. In the future, you might see, a different number.